Okay, on your screen here, hit the home button. You have your nav charts. It's got all your nav. Then you have your engine. Now on your engine page, you see these have needles. That means that's transmitting. So if this isn't transmitting, push and hold, replace data. What that means by not transmitting, that means that that engine does not support that. So you want to select engine, and then you select another one of these values that you can put on there. So same thing over here, push and hold, replace data. You can replace that with anything else. Trim's not going to be on there. Coolant temp, that's same there. So you can push and replace those with what you need. I don't know if your engine's going to support the fuel flow, but I'm going to leave it on there. Some of them do, some of them don't on the Volvo, depending on the model. So the fuel will show up. I've got that disconnected during testing. So now I've got the fuel showing up there. So there's your fuel tank in the test here. That's my test sender. So home, or you can just go left and right here. So it goes between the pages.